Okay, now I'm going to show you how to measure a hole which has irregular shapes. The easiest thing to do is to box the hole off into sections. So in this instance, I'm going to do it in 3 sections. So I'm going to do from the front door down to this point here, which gives us one rectangle. And then I'm going to do from here, basically from this point here, this wall, up to this section here. And then around the corner, I'm going to measure separately. And then that'll bring those 3 areas together and give us the total square meterage of the hall. So I'm going to measure this section. This is section 1. I suggest you get a notepad to jot down each measurement for each section. Again, using your foot to help you. So we have 4.2 linear meters, which is the length of this section. And then width. We have 1.2 meters in wide. So that's 4.2 by 1.2. So that's area 1. Then moving on to area 2. We're using this wall here as our starting point. Again, using your foot. We have just over 3.4 meters. And then the width in this section is 1.5. So that's section 2. Then we're going to head on to section 3. So for this section here, which is section 3, we're going to take the width, which is 1.26. By the length, and we're starting at this point here. Which goes to just 2 meters. We have a tiny little enclave there, but we're going to allow for that in the waist, so we don't need to measure that area. Now, if your enclave is quite large, you do need to measure it. But that's it, that's how to measure a hall. Okay, so now I'm going to show you on our website how to create a saved room with saved dimensions and then price multiple products. So if have your eye on different products and the different price points, we can give you a quote for each different product without having to pick up the phone or come in and see us. You can do everything at home. So I'm going to click on this box up here, which is saved dimensions. We are going to name our room. We're going to call it hall, okay? Now, this time we're going to add in our total space, and or you can do it by hall 1, area 1, hall 2, area 2, hall 3, area 3. But for this occasion, we are going to make it a total area. So we're going to say we have 10 square meters in our hall. We're going to save and update our price. Now we're going to go into our laminate section. Okay. Here we are in laminate. Immediately we have a price for all laminates to cover our hall area. So scrolling down, you can see how much all the different laminates are. Accessories will be added at checkout, but this is a super handy tool. And again, you can if you don't want laminate, let's say for example you want a wood effect tile. If we go back up here and we enter wood effect tile, we now have pricing for our wood effect tiles for all our hall area. So any product, once you put in the area, it'll calculate it for you.